Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to hard reset Google Pixel 4 XL. If you have forgotten the pin or pattern lock, as you can see, I have forgotten the pattern lock. Now to remove the pattern lock or pin lock, you need to hard reset your phone. First of all, you need to power up your phone. You need to press the power button plus volume down button to boot your phone into fast boot mode that will later help us to boot into recovery mode. Now I am holding the power plus volume down. Now as you can see, my phone is in fast boot mode. Now using the volume buttons, I will select the recovery mode. Now as you can see, recovery mode is there. Now I will hit the power button to boot into recovery mode. Now again here you need to press the power plus volume button together. Now you are in the recovery mode, as you can see. Now I will select the wipe data factory reset option and using power button I will confirm this option. Now again using volume down, factory data reset, using power confirm it. Now it will start wiping the phone. Data wipe complete. Now you can reboot system now using power button. Now your phone is rebooted. Your phone Google Pixel 4 is now hard reset. You can now set up your phone and set up a new pattern or pin lock if you would like to. I will skip this. You can set up offline. Next. Save. Now you are getting to set up a pin lock. I will skip this. You can set up if you would like to. Now as you can see, pattern lock is removed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.